To Tarot by Lavina, and I hope you are enjoying the beautiful view from behind. I'm somewhere near the gateway of India, and today I want to share with you certain doubts that people have about tarot cards and tarot decks. Many people message me and ask me which deck should I buy, and even when they want to do the course, they ask me for various decks. Do you teach this? Do you teach that? Now let me tell you, there are umpteen number of decks available in the market, but there are very few that attract you. So my advice to you is that whenever you're surfing through, whenever you're looking for some decks in your, maybe on Amazon or Flipkart or wherever, always get, if you see something and if you get attracted, there will be certain things that will attract you. For some people, maybe some witchy type of cards will attract you. For some people, moonology will attract you, to something to do with the moon cycles. Then Doreen Virtue cards, then Oracle cards. There are so many cards and so many decks that can attract you. So my advice to you is, don't ask anybody what cards. Okay, you can take advice from somebody, but definitely follow your heart. Remember, when you buy something which is really attractive, you're going to learn it well, and you're going to even think of doing a course in that. Now let me share something with you. I was just surfing through Amazon and some other sites, and I came across the vice versa tarot. So this is one deck which really attracted me, and of course even the moonology deck has attracted me. So I chose to buy this, and I got this lovely gift from my son from USA. And these cards are really beautiful. I just wanted to share a little bit about this, although I wanted to make a video on something else, but I decided to make a video on this and share a few things on these cards. So these cards are basically based on Rider-Waite illustrations, and they have a print in front and behind. So there is a story which talks about the front card, so it talks about this way and that way. So these are very beautiful and colorful cards. I'll soon be doing readings on these cards, so I just wanted to share my happiness with you. Also regarding the cards, regarding the meanings of the cards, I'll just take a minute more of yours. Regarding the meanings of the cards, I don't believe in the right and wrong. Whatever resonates with you. Now if you're looking at this card, say the moon card, now whatever you can tell about this card, it's less, so don't really go into the detailing meaning and all. Try to analyze the card by just looking at the picture. That's how you will learn it even more beautifully, and the fool's journey, the tarot journey, is going to be more and more interesting. So guys, do share whatever videos you want me to make for you, whatever doubts you have, whatever things come to your mind you want to ask me. Please do DM me, and I'm definitely here to help you.